Welcome to this video tutorial. This is for iPad users, and I'm going to show you how to do the first double exposure assignment. So once you open up Photoshop, you want to click on Import and Open. Go to your photos and start with one of your winter photos. So you'll import that. The next step is to add a photo on top of this. On the left-hand side of your screen, there is an icon of paper with a little scene on it. That is where you click to find other images. Mine is under Photos. I would like you to use one of your abstract paintings. Once you click that, you have to click Done up at the top. Now on the right-hand side, you'll see your layers. If you don't see them, you click on this top icon on the right hand side. This is to show layers. The one underneath it will make it a little larger and you see a few more options. Now the trick to the double exposure is just make the top layer see-through, more visible. And how you do that is under your layer options, the layer panels up at the top. The third icon has 3 lines and 3 dots. Click on that. We're going to use the blend mode. Currently it's set on normal. You are going to experiment and find one of these that you like. Don't click on dissolve, it does nothing. I've never seen that effect to do anything that I like. Now as far as all the others, just go down. You want to see both pictures at the same time. That's what the blend mode does. Go down, try them all. You're finding one that you like, that you find interesting. There's no right, there's no wrong, so don't worry about that. I think I'm going to click on the lighten one. I like that effect because I want to see the branches. Now another option that you can do is change the opacity. Right now it's at 100%. Now if I bring it down, you see less of the top image. So you can be more subtle or brighter. I'm going to keep it right about there. I like that. Once you have an image that you like, go up to Share, go to Publish and Export, make sure it's a JPEG. You can use the standard format, export it, and you can export it to wherever you want to, wherever you normally do. You can send it to Chrome, your Creative Cloud. I'm just going to save the image on my computer, on my iPad, and then upload it to Weebly when you're done. That's it for today.